Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on our channel. And in this video, we're gonna talk about how to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone. So let's get started. And to use two WhatsApp accounts in one phone, we're gonna use Dual app, and normally it's available on all phone. And you just have to search for how to enable Dual app on your phone. So to enable Dual app on Xiaomi, go to settings. Then scroll down till you get to apps. Now choose Dual app. And here are the apps that are recommended to use Dual app. Now to enable Dual app on WhatsApp, tap on it and simply turn it on. And here is the Dual app that we've created. So go in the app, then tap on agree and continue. Now enter your phone number, then tap on next. A code has been sent to the phone number you've already added, so enter it. And like that, we have two WhatsApp accounts. So here's the first account, and here's the second account. And this is it. This is how to use the WhatsApp accounts in one phone. Thanks for watching. See ya.